How to connect Hayday with Facebook. For this, you can go ahead and launch your Hayday application on your mobile device. So in the beginning of time, connecting with your Facebook with your Hayday was simple. All you have to do is launch your Hayday, and to connect, you can easily go ahead and tap on the three-line icon displayed on your screen. However, the updates has been made on Hayday. If you tap on the three-line icon displayed over here and click on setting, you will see that the only connect option right here is Google Play, whereas at the before it used to be Facebook as well. So this is because due to some of the launching problem with the Facebook and some of the technical issues, Facebook login has been expired by Heyday 2 years ago. So right now, if you are planning to log in via your Facebook and if you're trying to connect your Heyday with the Facebook, you simply cannot do that because the option has been removed by Heyday itself. You can still play with a friend by tapping on the two-person icon, then tapping on the friend book option. From there, you can search for your player tag and tap on add friend. You can even scan the QR of the Supercell ID of your friend to invite and play with your friend on Heyday. So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.